Hello guys, welcome to my channel CraftsWithShammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful antique paper earrings. Yes, this is made of paper. So let's get started. Firstly, take a thick paper and draw a circle depending on the size of the earring you want. Now draw another circle inside it. Fold the paper and cut it out now. You need to make 2 of these. Now take a gold nail polish and paint over it. Let it dry for some time. This is how it looks. Now take a gold chain and glue it. Now take few kundans and stick around the circle. You can also use whatever color you want depending on what color earring you want to make. This is how it looks. Keep this aside and take a pin and attach a pearl to it. Similarly, do it with the stone ball. Cut the end and twist one end with the plier. Now let's glue both the balls with hot glue gun. Lastly, stick the other paper cutout over it. Your earring is almost done. Now let's make the stud. Glue the kundan over the paper. And add stone chain around it. cut it out and glue this to the stud base using hot glue gun. Now attach the stud to the earring. That's it, you're done. Doesn't this look so great? I mean, who could tell that it's made with paper? It's perfect for traditional wear. And if you did like this video, I do a lot of DIY videos and there are more earrings. You can go and check out my channel. So do subscribe to my channel and like this video. And that's it. Happy crafting and meet you in my next video.